Hi, today we are going to show some simple nail art. This is how I do. Having a thin brush is really important for the process. Make sure to cure the design first before overlaying to avoid messing or mixing the design. It's important to have different types of nail brush. Use according to the shapes and size of designs. There is no ugly nail art. Art is an art. Keep on practicing. For the design, there is a lot of samples online that you can make. Nordic Edition by Cathy Kathy gel polish is ideal to use in nail art. Lot of colors to choose from. It's vegan and made from non-toxic materials. Let's do another nail art using our Tokyo Collection gel polish. Also vegan and safe to use for your kids or even lactating moms. It doesn't ruin your nails. In fact, our gel has an ingredients that helps your nail become stronger. A lot of colors to choose from, also ideal to use for mixing colors.